Hello everyone, this is my demonstration for Lab 17, Managing Active Directory and Sysvol Replication. So in this lab, we are going to complete 5 exercises, which are demoting a domain controller, promoting a domain controller, replicating with Active Directory sites and services, using repadmin, configuring password, replication policies for an RODC, upgrading Sysvol replication to DFSR. So exercise 17.1 is basically demoting a domain controller. So we are logging in into a storage 01 machine and demoting the datum domain controller. So as you can see, I'm logged in into storage 01 machine using my regular administrator, and there is no a datum slash over here, which confirms that I'm not logged in into any domain administrator. And if you see over here, the work group, I'm not joined into any domain. So I've successfully demoted the domain. I can also get the promote this server to a domain controller option over here. So moving on to the next exercise, which is 17.2, promoting a domain controller. So we will be promoting a storage 01 machine to a domain controller, and we will join the Seneca ID domain controller. As you can see, I have already joined my storage 01 machine, promoted it to a domain controller, and added into the DH Rupaka, which is my Seneca ID. Moving ahead to the next exercise, which is replicating with Active Directory sites and services. So in this exercise, we will replicate Active Directory between two domain controllers using the sites and services console. So as you can see, this is my RWDC machine and this is my storage 01 machine inside my corporate site. If I right click on the NTDS settings of storage 01 machine, click properties, go to connections. I have made a connection to RWDC in the same corporate size successfully. So the replication is successful. Moving ahead to the next exercise in this lab, which is 17.4 using repadmin. So we are using repadmin to replicate Active Directory and monitor when monitoring replication in this exercise. So first we'll be syncing using repadmin, then create a summary, and after that we will display the current inbound connections using queue command. As you can see, I have already executed all the 3 commands. This is my sync all command. You can see all the errors over here, which will basically come. This is my summary command. And this is my queue command. So moving on to the last exercise of this lab, configuring password replication policies for an RODC. So here basically we are creating 2 entities. One is user and one is computer, and then adding them to the password replication policy group. So as you can see, I've already added a computer named 01, a new user named user 01, created an RODC. If you go into the password replication policy, see the allowed RODC password replication group, I have successfully added computer 01 and user 01. So what for the next part, we will be deleting our RODC 01 machine from our domain controller. So as you can see, I have successfully removed RODC W01 from the domain controllers. Thank you everyone. This was my demonstration for Lab 17.